You introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself, Rajesh, yes. I'm basically from Shivamoga, Karnataka. And coming to my education, I completed my BE in civil. Then after my completion of engineering, I joined for an software testing course, and I completed the course there. And I joined the software company like in the Byju's. I worked for 1 year in the Byju's. Then after I joined for an Solvative that is based on Ahmedabad company. Currently, I'm working in that company and working as a manual tester.
Okay, what is the main method?
Main method means uh, the method which is without the main method we can't execute any Java program. The main method is the where we call all the methods or constructors or static methods or all the where we create the object in the main method. Without the main method, we cannot write the main program.
Okay, what is method overloading?
Method overloading means developing a multiple methods with different with a different argument list with the same name with but different argument list.
Okay, what are the conditional statements?
Conditional statements are some of if else, if condition, if else, and if else if, and nested.
Okay, what are the logical operators?
Logical are and or not.
Okay, what are constructors?
Constructors are a special type of method like where doesn't have the return type, and the constructor for the constructor we show it should have the same name as the class name, and it can have all the access specifier, and also the constructor can have the parameters or not parameters.
Okay,
To call the constructor, it will automatically call in the main method whenever we create an object.
okay, what is inheritance?
Inheritance means inheriting the property from other class.
And what are the types of inheritance? We have explained each of them.
Single level inheritance and multiple level inheritance and multiple level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. Single level inheritance means inheriting the property of parent class from the child, and the multi-level inheritance means we are inheriting the property of a parent class that and that from that parent class we are inheriting the another parent class, and from that we can inherit the another property like another property of the class. And multiple level inheritance means here we are creating an multiple subclasses. Sorry, multiple level, creating multiple subclasses and calling the inheriting the property of superclass. And next one is the multi-level. Like here we creating an multiple subclasses which having only the and inheriting the property of subclass, the single super class. And hierarchical is a combination of single, multiple, and multi-level direct and hybrid.
Okay, what is method overriding?
Method overriding means we are developing an multiple methods which having the same name and signature, and implement, but same name and signature which having the child which we inheriting the property from parent in the child class.
Okay. What is a super keyword?
Super keyword. Here the super keyword is used in the concept of overriding, and it is used to inherit the property of the parent class to get the implementation of the parent class in the child class. So we use the super keyword.
Okay. So what is the difference between local and global variable?
Local variable is like local variable is present in the like it will starting from the method and it will end to the method, and local variable we cannot distinguish between static and non-static, and local variable doesn't have any default values, and also and mm, and local cannot be distinguished between static and non-static, and local variable is present in the main methods, and then and the global, right? Local and global, right?
Yes,
The
sir,
difference
local and
is
global.
okay. In the global, the main scope is from the starting from the class to end of the class, and in the global variable we can distinguish between static and non-static, and also the default the global variable will have the default value, and one thing, yeah, that's it. I can remember.
Okay. What is a super calling statement?
Super calling statement. Yeah, here like calling the parent constructor from the child constructor.
Okay. How many types of super calling statements are there?
Two types. First one is the implicit, and second one is the explicit. The
Okay.
parameterized or non-parameterized.
Explain each of them.
In parameterized, like the calling the parent constructor from the child constructor, which having no parameters, is called as a non-parameter super calling. And next one is the parameterized. Here we calling the child constructor or a parent constructor from child constructor which having the parameters or argument list.
Okay. What is this keyword?
This keyword. This keyword it is used to call the constructor from the parent constructor to child constructor within the same class. It's called as a this keyword.
And what is this calling statement?
This calling. Sorry, I confused between this keyword and this calling. This calling means like it is calling the constructor, another constructor from the child constructor within the same class.
And
This
this
is for
keyword?
this keyword is it is used to assign any of the values. Yeah. Sorry, I can't remember exactly.
Okay. 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 What is scanner?
Scanner is a predefined class where we can pass the input from the users.
The input from the users. How many methods are there in scanner?
Many methods like we for the string we use next byte, next int, short, next short, and almost we have 7.
Okay. So what is the exception we have in scanner?
exception, input mismatch.
Okay. Mm. What are string functions?
String functions. String functions means in the string functions we have length at char at index, like we can substring to upper to lower equals string, where we can use those functions in the array system. Array.
Mhm. What is exceptional handling?
Exceptional handling means here we are handling the any error from the code or any exception we coming from the code or any we can handle those exception by using a throws or a throw keyword,
Okay.
or we can use the try and catch methods.
What is the difference between throw and throws?
Throw means here throw is used to like we want to display any error, like we can use the throw. The throws is used to declare any exception.
Okay, what is abstract class and abstract method?
Abstract class means in the abstract class, whenever the abstract method is present, then we can call as a abstract class. Abstract method means here abstract method means it doesn't have any body in that method. It can have both abstract methods and abstract concrete method in the abstract class.
What is the difference between abstract method and concrete method?
Abstract method means here it doesn't have any body in the abstract method, and in the concrete body, like a concrete method, it consists of body. And the implementation in the main method for the abstract method. For the concrete, we can have implementation in the same concrete method.
Okay, what is interface?
Interface. Here it is used to abstract it is used to whenever we achieve the 100% of abstraction, we use the interface. Like to create an interface, we use like keyword called interface, and to inherit the property, like we use the keyword called implements.
Okay, what is abstraction?
Abstraction is also known as hiding, like hiding something from the code. And from using abstract method, we can achieve 0 to 100% of abstraction, but using the interface, we can achieve 100% of abstraction, because the interface can have only the abstract methods. So
what is encapsulation?
Encapsulation means here we are restricting the data member by using access specifier is called as an encapsulation. To achieve this to overcome this method, like we use the method called getter and setter. In the setter, it is used to set the value. Getter is used to get the values.
What is polymorphism?
Polymorphism means the object behaving with the different stages with the life cycle is called a polymorphism. In polymorphism, there are two types. First one is the runtime polymorphism, and second one is the compile time polymorphism. Runtime means an object behaving in different, behaving the different, like with the different stages life cycle based on the based on the runtime based on the object created. For the compile time polymorphism, an object behaving in different stages of life cycle with compile time based on the argument passed.
Okay, what is typecasting, and explain all the typecasting?
Typecasting means here we converting one type to another type. In the typecasting, we have two types: primitive and class typecasting. In primitive, we have two types: narrowing typecasting and widening typecasting. Narrowing means here we converting smaller values into bigger data type. And in the narrow widening means here we converting bigger data type to smaller data type. And next one is the class type casting. Here we have the upcasting and downcasting. Here we converting subclass into the superclass. And in the downcasting, here we converting from downcast type to superclass type to subclass type.
Okay, what is a thread.sleep?
Thread dot sleep, it is used to whenever we use the thread dot sleep, it will wait for the particular time which we enter in the manually, and it will wait for that particular time and execute the code. It is used to wait whenever we want to wait some particular time, we use the thread dot sleep.
Okay, write a program in scanner to display the first five numbers, to display the sum of first five numbers.
Scanner class.
Yes. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. First five numbers.
Okay. Can I share my screen?
Yes, yes. I asked the first five numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of those five numbers.
Sorry, I didn't.
Means here you wrote 10, 20, 30, 20, then you instead write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the runtime.
Okay, okay. You mean I want to write the 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
fine. Okay, write a string program to display your first name vertically.
Okay. This is the
Okay. Write a program in array to share the exception in console. After that, handle that exception in try and catch. That array index out of bound exception you should share in console. I asked about array exception, not this arithmetic. Array index out of bound.
okay. Okay. But I forgot the syntax for this try and catch.
Okay, fine. So can you write another program where there will be two constructors, two SIB, two IIB, and call them inside main method and show their order of execution?
Two SIB, two IIB, and
Mhm. Two
two
SIB, two
construct.
IIB, two constructor. But this would have happened in a single class also. That static below that open curly braces, then close curly braces.
This one?
Yes, this in single class also this could have happened. That two constructors or two SIBs. SIBs means static keyword, open curly braces, close curly braces.
In the single class means like I can create here. You mean I can create
means that multiple classes which you created, remove that in single class Viva 4, write stat that will be for SIV, static, then open curly braces, close curly braces. Not this one. Okay, I will share the photo with you that of that program.
Okay.
Okay, shall I close?
Yeah.
Yes, Rajesh, thank you. Although you have answered many questions correctly, programming you need to practice, and some in main method, main explanation will be what is the public. Public is access specifier, then static is modifier, void is return type, main is method name, and the string arguments are parameters. This you should not forget. And this keyword is used when the method parameters and global variables are same. Then that time we use this keyword.
Okay.
And this for this program also, try and catch array and index out of bound handling. You need to practice that, and this of SIBs also need to practice.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.